It was a moment of joy and celebration as Chukwuemeka Ndulue of Anambra Broadcasting Service, ABS, exchanged marital vows with his better half, Chinyeaka Okeke, at Chinyeaka Hospital Chaplaincy, Oka. The colorful ceremony, which attracted guests from different walks of life and staff of ABS who came to share the joy of the couple, featured dancing by the couple, cutting of wedding cake, prayers and goodwill messages for the couple at a reception which followed at the Stella Okoye Multipurpose Hall, ABS Oka. We have details.
Mr. Ndulue is a staff of the ABS whose dedication, commitment to work and hard work endeared him to all. Earlier in a solemnization mass, the officiating priest, Reverend Father Charles Ndulue, stated that marriage is a permanent partnership and urged the new couple to learn to tolerate each other and remain positive to the things that attracted them to one another. Reverend Father Ndulue pointed out that for the fact that God forgives his children, there is no reason married couples should not let go of wrong done to each other. Listen, endurance, respect, openness, and prayer are some of the attributes of successful home.
Love flows from within. And this love that go there doesn't go without sacrifice. It must go with what? Sacrifice.
Speaking later at the reception ceremony, the managing director of Anambra Broadcasting Service, Sachido Obidiegu, who was represented by the director of administration of the establishment, Lady Tina Ekenta, said that he was delighted to be part of the wedding and described Mr. Ndulue as a calm young man who is always focused on his work, urging the couple to endeavor to respect and love each other and prayed God to bless the union.
He will understand. Okay, correct to me.
Contributing, the chairman, Radio, Television and Theatre Arts Worker Union, Ratawo, ABS chapter, Comrade Obiajulu Soke, congratulated the new wedded couple and testified that Mr. Ndulue will no doubt be a loving and caring husband. The parents of the couple, Mr. Osi Ndulue, Mrs. Chitachuku Ndulue, and Mrs. Victoria Okeke, expressed joy over the love that exists between the couple and promised to guide and support them towards achieving a successful home, praying God to continue to provide for them and all good things of marital life. While appreciating their guests, the newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Ndulue, shared the memories and essential quality that brought them together, assuring that their foundation of love, which they built in God, will last for years to come.
Both my family, my in-laws, and everything, and making each other all the support, me joku, a lot of things. May God replenish them 100-fold in Jesus' name.
Thank you so much, clearly. I like it, Goma. When we call some weekend, a companion. I follow me.